Hi, my name is Lakshman, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how easily you can change all your public posts on Facebook to friends in a matter of seconds in the very easiest way. So this is my cat's Facebook profile that I created just for the sake of for the demonstration purpose for this video. As you can see, there are quite a lot of posts she has posted on Facebook, and then she would like to change these posts privacy from public to friends because she is concerned someone might be stalking at her. So let me show you how you can do. The one way would be to do it manually, but it would be easier if there were just very few public posts, but I know we might have tens or hundreds or even thousands of public posts on our profile, and then it's going to take a lot of time to do it manually one by one. So the easiest way is here. What we need to do is, for this video I'm using the Facebook app on my iPhone, but if you are using an Android phone or if you are doing it through your computer's browser, the process would be still the same, only the location of the settings and some other things might differ slightly, but at the end it's almost the same. So what we are looking for is looking for this option called settings, which you usually can find it at the bottom section or sometimes at the top gear as well, right here. So once you tap on settings, it will take you to a page like this, and then what we are looking for is we are looking for an option called post. If you couldn't find this option called post, what you can do is just type here posts, and then it will come up. So just open this section called post. So here the first thing that I want you to do is who can see your future post. So you can change, if it's still in public, you can set it to friends, so that anything you post in the future will be automatically to friends. Now let's look at the second part. This is the first part isn't that important to do it for our old post, but the second part is important. Here you can see limit who can see past post. So let's go over here. So there's an option, limit who can see past posts on your timeline. So it says if you choose to limit your past posts on your timeline that you have shared with friends of friends and public posts will only be shared with friends. So this is what we want. You can read the rest as well. Let me go back to the profile, and then what you can do is you can check from view as option. So it will show you what your profile looks like to the public, to those who are not your friends. So to go here, just to see, what you can do is you can tap here and check on view as. So there are quite a bit of public posts on this Facebook account. So go to settings and then search for posts. Once you are in the posts, and then that is friends, and we look at the second option called limit who can see past posts. So we want to limit this, we want to turn this on. So what this is going to do is it's going to automatically change our all old Facebook posts which are in public or friends of friends to friends, except those which are tagged. Okay, so once you click here, it will ask for your confirmation. You are about to limit all past posts on your timeline. The only way to undo this will be to change the audience of each post one at a time. So right now we can do all public posts to friends, but if you want to change those posts from friends to public, you have to do one at a time. So that's the difference, but this is going to be very useful for us because it's going to set all of our public posts to friends. That's what we want, isn't it? So let's go and click on this, audience change complete. Now let's go and check the profile cat.11. So there were a lot of public posts before. As you can see, it has been all the posts which were in public are automatically changed to friends. So now let's see what happens when someone who is not your friend comes to your profile and then tries to stalk on your profile. So what they will see is, this is all they will see. Let's refresh it again, because cover photo is always in public, so they can see the cover photo. There's not much loss in it, but even the profile picture they can't see because it's in friends. And we just what we did is we just changed privacy for all of our older Facebook posts to friends, isn't it? That's what we did. Okay, so what do you think? Did this solution work for you? If yes, and then if you found it useful, you might be interested in checking my cat's TikTok account as well. Maybe you might want to follow her if you think that's the right thing to do, other than pressing the like button on this video. Thanks for watching. I think I spoke too much. Sorry for that. Hope the video was useful. Bye bye.